Nothing will save you more time in Excel than learning the shortcut keys. To select an entire row on Excel, simply hold Shift and Space, and there you go. To do it for a column, it is Control and Space. You can insert and delete rows and columns using shortcut keys. Click on any row and Ctrl Shift equals will bring up an option to insert an entire row, entire column, or any combination. So if we say an entire row, there we go. But also if we use Shift Space to highlight the row in advance, then Ctrl Shift equals will simply just insert that row immediately. If we want to insert a column, then Ctrl Space will highlight the whole column and Ctrl Shift equals will then do that. Now whilst the column is highlighted, Ctrl minus will remove it. If it wasn't highlighted, Ctrl minus will again bring up the option as to what it is exactly we want to delete. I'm going to cancel that with Escape. Same with a row. If we highlight the row, Shift Space, or in fact even if we highlight two rows, Shift Space, Control minus, both get deleted. We can also hide rows and columns using shortcut keys and also unhide them again. So click on any row and Control 9 will hide that row. Control Shift 9 will unhide it. Now, if we didn't know where it was hidden, so for example, Control 9, that is hidden, you can see on the left-hand side there, there's a number missing, so that's one giveaway, but also there's a slight gap in the side. But highlighting that area surrounding that and hitting Control Shift 9 will unhide anything that's hidden in that range. For a column, it is Control 0 to hide the column. And then to unhide the column, it is Control Shift 0. Now, quite often in Windows 10 especially, Control Shift 0 is used to do with keyboard settings. So there's a link in the description about how you can switch that off, because sometimes Control Shift 0 does not work as it should do because Windows has effectively commandeered that shortcut key combination for unhiding columns. One of my personal favourite shortcut keys is grouping rows or columns. So if I want to group several rows together, Alt, Shift, Alt, and the arrow key will show whether I want to group rows or columns. So I can say rows. Of course, if the row is highlighted with Shift Space already, then Alt, that same shortcut key will automatically detect rows. What about columns? Let's get rid of these. So again, same thing. Alt, Shift, that will let you pick columns, but assuming that we cancel that, Control Space and then Alt, Shift, arrow automatically groups those columns. Autofilter is a brilliant command. Click anywhere on the sheet, Control Shift L, filters appear. Normally you can click on these and do whatever you like, but if you click in the header, Alt and the down arrow will bring that up manually, and you can scroll around and do untick or tick any you like. Now, let's say we've unticked them all apart from regular air, and on here we picked a particular customer name. But say we now just want to go to another customer. Well, if we go on there again, Alt down, and then just hit the letter C, we clear that particular column's filter. And if we want to click them all, we can always do Control Shift L to get rid of all filters, or put them back on again straight afterwards. I hope you found something new in amongst all those shortcut keys. I've pulled together this one-page cheat sheet of all the everyday essential Excel shortcuts. I'm giving this away today completely free. Just click on the link and I'll send you this straight away. Don't waste any more time in Excel. Get this free cheat sheet right now. Click the link.